Hi, I'm Robina and I'm Google Developer Expert in AI. You know how creating comics is really hard? You need a story, characters that actually look the same in every panel, dialogues that feel right, and much more. So I thought, what if we could have a whole team of AI agents that do the heavy lifting? That's exactly what Comic Studio AI does. You just talk, upload a photo, and I type an idea. A team of six AI agents jump into a create a complete AI panel for you, comic for you. So let me show you how it works. I will just click the microphone button and I will say a cat in a market. A cat in a market. So let me refresh again and a cat in a market. See, see, it's just typed it for me. Now, when I hit the button generate story, and in about second, the researcher agent, that's the Gemini 2.0 Flash, creates a full story with a little characters and the title and full panel plot for me. So see, writing characters, the plot for panel plot that has been generated for me. But here, the real fun part. What if we want to comic to star like me or you or just any other character like a dog or cat? You just upload a photo over here and let me upload my own photo. It will when you upload the picture and click the this generate story with the image. Uh, the AI looks at the photo and builds a story where the main character like me. So let me check generator image with this. See, generate story with image. It creates the story with the image and look at the character description. Uh, the best part is character will look same in a single panel. No weird shape, shifting halfway through like it representing a Aisha woman with dark hair covered by a dark purple hijab. So this is what it does. And a mole on her cheeks are wearing a light purple top with pattern details. So this is what this comic AI does. So maybe I want to change the story a bit. The conversational agent that pop-ups automatically. So I will just type something like I want to add a sister Stana, that another character. I will add in this story. So see, it added the Stana, Aisha's youngest sister. Aisha has a similar feature, a hijab, brightly had scarf, and green she is energetic and playful. So see, Um, it has a conversational agent that add the characters. But if you want to make more changes, let me type make it funnier, funnier, and send it again. It will define the story and generate the story again, more funnier one. So this is the conversational agents that takes the live input and let me then I will just type say it will ask you, do you want to proceed to continue? I will say yes and I will proceed and see Now I choose the vibe. I will have these see make it look more good. It will give us a uh, choices like choose the styles. So I will go with the Western comic, American, and tone that what tone you want to select it. Let me select the heartwarming and color palette. You can again uh, left it the optional, and uh, it will when you click on the generate panels, the panel generator, the nano banana model create the description for each panel, and the dialog doctor at the each bubbles and on the each panels. And look, even it know when you use the thought versus the shootout bubble, it will give us a complete panel for us according to our story that has we have generated. So it will take hardly few seconds. Look at the final story. See, four panels with the dialog box. That is the bubble shootout and different dialogues, speech dialogues. And see the styles that we have selected over here. It will show you all these styles. And now the cool part is that generate the images and the imagine model Gemini 3.1 flash image preview draw the actual panel that we have created right now. Then images appearing one by one. Just click on the generate images. It will take 20 to 30, 20, 10 to 10, 20 seconds in a few seconds. And four comic panels with the characters looking consistent, the speech bubble right where they should be. Like it feels like a magic every time. So this is what the comic studio AI does. Wait. Yes, one thing I forgot to tell you that you can select the language as well. The native language you want to print your own comic, and let's complete this generating images. Oh, let's wait. Okay, so and oh, cool. See, it generated the images with the character that I have added and the Sana. See, Sana and Aisha. That is me. So it has generated. Then uh, once I'm happy that it can download in PDF as well, and also it can download in booklet format. Two panels per page, landscape style. It even is even time instant on the file, and see it works in 7 languages. So you can check it out. And yeah, all this run on the Google Cloud Run. It scales down to zero when no one's using it. So it is cost efficient, and the API keys are safely stored in the secret manager, and the whole deployment is automated with Cloud Run. And see, this is the file has been downloaded. Let me check it out. Yeah, look at this, the beauty of the comic generated, 4 panels, and This project is my entry project for Live Gemini Agent. Uh, I genuinely love how it turned out, and thanks for watching. I hope you have much fun with it as I did building with it. Thank you.